this is my hair just blow dried. That's all I did. I gotta get organized. So I have never used a curling wand, ever. I know that seems probably shocking to some of you. This is my daughter's. She's got one of those deals where you can change out the different size wands. I went in there. She said, what kind of wand do you want? I was like, I don't know. So we picked out this one, and then as I walked away, she was like, don't burn yourself. Because she lost her glove. She doesn't use a glove. So I feel like if she doesn't need one, I don't need one. And if I burn myself, totally not editing it out. So let's get started. These just always confused me. Like, I was just like, I don't get... I never really got the concept, but I see so many people use them over the years, and finally I was just like, you know what, let me just try it. Oh God, I'm a little nervous. How long do you hold it here? I feel like that's a lot of curl. Is it because I'm not holding it long enough? Like, you guys can help me? Turn out a little better. Are you like holding your breath hoping that I don't burn myself? Because I kind of am. This is ridiculous. Okay, let's move on to the other side. curl theirs. Yes, I watched YouTube videos on this. They curled theirs in different directions. I probably should have done that before now. They said it gives a much more natural look. So let's start curling a few in the opposite direction. Okay, so the hair is done. Let's just separate out some of these curls. I think that turned out really cute. What's happening with this one? That is cute. What do y'all think? I don't know what's going on right there. But I definitely like it. I only got 3 burns in the process. So, just add a little hairspray. Now when my hair is curly, I like it big, y'all. You know I'm a Southern girl. I need, the bigger the hair, the closer to God. Okay. Whew. Voila! I like it. I think it's a lot of work, and that could be because I'm not used to it, because I don't do it, and I did get burned 3 times. But it's a lot of work, but it's a little different. It's not what I'm used to. And I like it. I think it's really pretty. And this will make for an excellent messy bun in a couple days. Alright, my loves. Thank you for experiencing my first time with a curling wand. I hope it was entertaining. I want to go put a little cream on my burns. Until next time.